Just look at that. That U-shaped valley across there is called Laporten. Meant to be the gateway to the north, the gateway to Lapland. And in the valley that runs from left to right at the bottom of this hill, starting or ending in Abisko, depending on which way you're doing the trail, is the King's Trail or Kungsleden, which is an over 400-kilometre walk through the mountains with mountain huts, quite big mountain huts that you can stop at, and they're spaced at a day's walk each. Obviously you can camp if you want. But today is stunning. I've said that a few times on this trip. Lovely gold and yellow colours of autumn. Definitely would like to come back here this time of year again. This is September. Maybe spend a few more days here. We've been able to get up here because there's a chairlift that takes you at least part of the way up this mountain. Otherwise this would have been out of bounds, I think, for us. I think we could do it, but it would certainly take it out of us. Just turning a corner here and seeing some of the smaller tarns and all that autumn colour of the birch trees in the valley. I think we're just about to come over a rise so we can see down towards the lake and Abisko itself. And probably the top of the chairlift. Yes, there we go. not a sound apart from the odd bird and a little bit of water. Most of the snow's melted. Still a little bit right on the tops in the shady parts of the cols and valleys.